Okay guys, part 2. So ito yung point of view ng kalaban. Player view tayo. Sino ba yung sniper? Kasi yan yung target namin. So yan, boom. Nakita namin nagpo-form sila ng creeps. Ito, tapos tsaka namin nalaman ng portal yan, sabay-sabay oh. Kita namin, 4, sunod-sunod. Yan na, po-portal na sila, sabay-sabay yung mga yan. Boom, 1, 2. Ay gago yung sniper, na late talaga. Bobo ang puta, hindi niya kinancel. Oh my god. Okay, back tayo. Yung LC naman panoorin natin. Tingnan natin kung naka-load to. Ay, nag-bug. Okay lang yan. LC. Boom, portal. Boom, SF. Ay, kala nila SF lang, gago. Boom. Oh, boss. Sir, shit.
Hello, this is Gabe Newell.
GG.
Thanks for playing Dota 2.
Oh,
Double scale.